Hello friends, I am Neha and welcome to my channel about technology. In our today's tutorial, we will discuss how you can produce a video in PowerDirector. So let's switch on to the software. Now once you are done with your editing and you are satisfied with what you have edited, the next step is to produce the video. Sometimes it is also called as rendering or exporting the video. To start producing, click on Produce tab. Now, here you have standard 2D videos, 3D videos, videos for device, and online video. What I do is, I produce a standard 2D video with a file format that supports my device, and then I upload it to YouTube. Now, I will give you the breakdown on file formats available under standard 2D. I will also tell you which file format I prefer the most. Let's start with AVI. AVI is a video file format where AVI stands for Audio Video Interleave. This file format are supported by a wide variety of video players like Microsoft Movies and TV, Windows Media Player, Apple QuickTime Player, etc. AVI videos are high quality videos with less compression, which results in large file size. So it can be a problem for those with a limited space. Next is MPEG-2, where MPEG stands for Moving Picture Expert Group. This file format is used for videos over air, satellite, cable, digital TV signals and DVD videos. This file format implies lossy compression but still produce high quality videos. Now let's jump to Windows Media Player, which is a file format introduced by Microsoft. This file format was originally designed for internet streaming applications. Next is XAVCS. This file format is introduced by Sony to record videos with 4K resolution. Though it offers high quality videos, it has compatibility issues with other applications and devices. This file format has lower compression rate. Now next is AVC S.264, that is Advanced Video Coding, which is a digital video compression standard. This file format offers high definition digital video that compress the file to half of the space of MPEG-2. Now next file format is S.265 HEVC, that is High Efficiency Video Coding. This file format is more advanced as compared to S.264. It offers more compression. This file format also supports 4K resolution. The file format I prefer most is AVC S.264 as it offers high quality video with effective compression. Once done with the selection of file format, select the file extension. Here I prefer MP4. I would choose profile type as all and profile quality as MPEG-4 1920x1080 as it is a full HD format. Next, select your country and then browse for the location where you want to save the video. Here name your video as I am naming it test and click on save. At the left bottom of the window you have to click on start button. It will start producing your video. It will take few seconds to produce your video depending on its length. For more description and explanatory screenshot, please refer our website qhow.com. You will find the URL in the description. Hope you find the video useful. Please like and share this video and do subscribe our channel about technology. If you have any queries, you can drop it in our comment section. We will back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.